front of what we call Sand Alley, and as the name fits, these are all, most of them, they're all sands of various sizes. So those racks in the data center rooms that we were in, those are all just normal servers that it can be put into a normal rack. These things are more unique that need special racking or special space or power requirements. So this is actually where all the weight of our building is. It's because there's so many disks, they're really heavy. We have some really large sands. As you can see, this IBM sand is 6 cabinets. We have multiple petabytes of sand storage throughout our different sands. We have a wide variety. We have some new cutting edge SSD sands. And I don't want to skew your perceptions or reports. We have a wide variety of partners. I'm not going to name them all. I don't want you necessarily make an ad for some partner and not another. But like this 2 on the bottom, really small with the blue lights, that's a sand from a company called Violin Storage.
Hey now.
So it's relatively new.
It's memory. It's a memory sand.
Yeah, so people think about SSDs the fastest. That's actually RAM.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a RAM sand. So it's significantly faster than an SSD without all the drop-off problems and just all the potentials. So it's just RAM.
How much?
I think right now we have 10 terabytes.
RAM storage?
Yes. Just in that.
How much does that cost?
That's a good question. We're not a sales facility, so no comment.
What's your failover rate like for SSDs?
I don't know. I'd rather not say.
Do the partners support the equipment?
They do. They do all the maintenance for us, and in terms of rotation, we work with them to rotate out old, kind of old and busted hardware, give us new hotness. We also have some various servers in here. There's a HP XP 24000 disk array. That's another huge sand we have. There'll be some announcements that build about the size of cores, procs, and memory that Windows Server 8 can handle. The biggest Windows server in the world ever to install Windows was done here, in this room. So in terms of lots of cores, lots of RAM, it was done right here. Right down here. It's not here anymore. It's gone. I think they took it as build or something. But so that's just an example of some of the stuff we do. Behind you, kind of behind the couches, is a Surface box. And unfortunately, it's down for some unexpected maintenance, so I would show it to you. But the Surface box is actually integral part of our light and power and temperature and performance monitoring system. We actually have an application, the first enterprise app for Microsoft Surface, that allows you to, so I have my badge here. On the back of my badge I have what's called a Surface tag. I don't know if you've seen these before. These are little identifications to allow Surface to identify me as an individual. So what happens is I can potentially, I can't show you, it's broken, I'm sorry. I can put my badge down on top of the Surface. It says, hey, it's Ashton. What it does is all the lights in the data center racks turn off, and the ones that I'm using for my testing turn on. So I can see, okay, I'm using 5 racks here in the middle. My 5 racks light up, and then it says, what do I want to monitor? Do I want to monitor CPU, power, temperature? So I hit temperature, and then so all the lights change to that program. So it changes the temperature based on. Wow. It's a pretty cool little app, and I'm sorry I can't show it to you.
Not the first useful Surface.
So, like I said, it is the first